When I first walked into the jungle, it felt alive where I lived. But then the forest suddenly changed. Trees were gone, and someone had camped here and left things behind. I noticed something else. There were no animal tracks near the camp, so I started cleaning. Slowly, carefully, I stayed on the path, making sure I didn't disturb anything more. And then I stopped. I waited. That's when I saw it. Small signs of life coming back. The forest wasn't gone. It just needed space. Enjoy nature. Take memories. And leave nothing behind.